Hello! What?
I see you're into telescopes.
No?
A truly fine example.
So?
Amount?
Go away.
Oh yes.
You're such a muppet.
These are the telescopes you are looking for.
Hey, it is so windy, but I'm on Venus. There we go. That is the planet Venus, which is actually, if I lift up, you can't actually see it, but there's a little dot just there. There's Jupiter, just up there. And Saturn is between the two, you can't really see it at the moment. Here's the setup. We've got an EQ5 Pro, my old one with some normal motors on it, and on the image chain itself around here I've got a 294C fan cooled, then we've got a 2x Barlow lens, an extender, focuser, and then the classical Cassegrain that we've got here, and all of that is controlled via this little keypad here to do right ascension and declination. Very simple setup, and I actually just find the object by using an eyepiece, and then I swap everything out for the camera and this chain here. Using AutoStack-It, I'm going to put the images of Venus into AutoStack-It. I'm just going to drag and drop. And there we go, that's the image of Venus that we've got so far. And if we play that through, we can see the image there. And we've got a blue shift at the bottom and a red shift there as well. And you probably saw that the actual telescope was almost horizontal, so it was so low on the horizon. But you never know, might be able to get something good from this. So let's see, so let's click stop on that. And the first step is to analyze, so I'll let the PC do that. And we can see here that the quality graph has actually shown that it's a really low percentage of high quality images there. So I'm only going to stack very few of those. There's no point in stacking huge numbers of them. I'm going to stack 25 of those, which is great. Now I want to place some alignment points on this image here. So what I'd like to do is just click the alignment points button, and you can see that it's already allocated a bunch of alignment points. We can see there, which is great. So I'm now going to just check these, so they look all okay. They're kind of my normal default settings, and I'm just going to turn the drizzle off, so I'll leave that for now, and I'll just click stack. Okay, AutoStack-It has now stacked all of those, so let's just have a quick look at that image. So back in my Venus folder, I've got two images here which it's stacked, so let's have a quick look. Oh, that's quite nice actually. I quite like that. You can really see the phase of the planet there, which is really nice. I'm actually really quite pleased. That's good. Let's have a look at the other one. This one's slightly darker. But yeah, it's really good. I'm happy, but there is the blue and red shift. And of course, it's got the green tinge to it because of the RGB Bayer pattern of the 294C camera. So let's stack the other ones and let's see what they come out like. Okay, we've finished in AutoStack-It, so I'm now going to open Registax. What we'll do is take the first image that we took. There it is. Now, You can see it's quite a greeny blue colour, so I'm going to do an RGB balance first. So I'll just click auto balance on that, and that gives a slightly more realistic colour balance. And now what I want to do is address this red at the top and the blue at the bottom that we've got there. So we go into RGB align, and then I'm going to just move this to there. What I'd like to do now is just align the red channel. Now it looks as if the red needs to go down, so I'm just going to move the red down, and I'm going to move it over to the left. Okay, that's not too bad, and I just need to move the blue over to the left and up, which looks good. Okay, that's great. So you can quite clearly see the shape of the planet there. I am now going to click do all. That's our original, and it's now going across the screen, and it will eventually get to our area around. There we go. So it's just done all of those changes. So this is our new image of the planet Venus. So I'm going to save that image off. I also managed to take one image of Jupiter, and I don't know if it's going to stack very well because it set behind some clouds, but we can see it there, so I'm going to give it a go. Let's see what we actually got out of Jupiter. So I'm just going to go through and do an auto balance on the colour, and then a little bit of RGB align as well. And now I'm going to use the wavelets to try and bring out some of the surface detail. And here are the final two images from Venus and Jupiter. Take care everybody, please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel, and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.